stop what you're doing and listen. This isn't a what if, it's a countdown. If the power grid fails for 72 hours, most people won't survive, not because of hunger or looters, but because they don't understand what's coming. The first few hours feel harmless. Phones still have battery. Water still flows. People joke about it, scrolling, calling friends, waiting for updates that never arrive. That's the trap. Every minute wasted is survival lost. By hour 12, gas stations freeze, ATMs shut down, and grocery shelves vanish. Panic quietly replaces logic. People leave safe homes in search of supplies, exposing themselves to danger they didn't even realize existed. By day 2, water pressure drops, toilets back up, and emergency services operate only in priority mode. Most people die from poor decisions, running generators indoors, drinking untreated water, trusting the wrong strangers, or moving too soon. The brutal truth nobody tells you: your home is your safest place if it looks empty, silent, and boring. Lights, noise, movement, these are neon signs for predators. Survival isn't about heroics, it's about being invisible. Ration calories immediately, conserve energy, and avoid attention. Observe before stepping out. Protect water first, secure food, and plan every move. Panic is the real killer. Calm, disciplined decisions are your only lifeline. If you make it through 72 hours, it's not luck, it's preparation, mindset, and knowing the world outside is far more dangerous than you think. And here's the thing. If you want more survival tactics nobody tells you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications now, because every video could teach you the difference between life and death when the grid goes dark. This section is based on practical field survival experience rather than formal academic sources.